This was the single hardest install I've ever done in my life. Let's see if we can get a little soundage here. A little bit. What's up everyone, welcome back to Miami Miles. My name is Mickey. In today's video, we are installing, look at this nutty Capristo exhaust on the 458. Car needs an exhaust. I mean, it sounds incredible from the factory, and obviously PD installed the valve controller, but it doesn't have the pitch from 7, 8, and 9 that you want from a naturally aspirated Ferrari. So today, we're installing this, and as a matter of fact, I was gonna do this intro after the car was on the ramps. Not successful. Well, I gave it a little too much gas getting on the ramps, and it threw the ramp forward and destroyed the side skirts. Oh, this is gonna be a fun build. Holy shit, look at this.
You're like, you know how much you have to pay to go to a certified mechanic? I wonder why. I wonder why.
I tried to get the car on the ramps, and on this plastic floor, the ramp slid under and damaged my side skirts right there. This was not that bad. The other one's a little bit cracked, so I gotta get that fixed now. But anyways, let's get right into it. So, the only thing left to remove it, a couple little bolts right here, but we can't reach them, which is why a lot of people take the bumper off with this car to put the exhaust on. But I can't wait to hear what that thing right there sounds like. So now, because we can't get to these bolts, we have to remove it from the rubber piece up top. Had to remove the top of the airbag, and he was able to put his arm underneath the intake where the air comes in to the airbox. To get to the bolt, and he's got to do it on this end still. Yeah, so in short, the exhaust is stuck on the clamp that connects it to the cap. So, just like in that normal supercar video, normal supercar guy, it won't come out. So the exhaust, the mufflers, where they attach the catalytic converter, they're in too deep and you can't pull it far enough forward to get it out. So we're gonna have to cut it on the edges and then re-weld the part that connects to the catalytic converter, the downpipe. Time to cut the OEM exhaust. So you guys get some context because the car's not on the lift. Here's the aftermarket exhaust. So the stock exhaust won't go forward enough to take it off these right here. So the downpipe goes in here, but we can't pull it forward enough because the subframe's in the way. So we'd have to remove the rear bumper, the rear subframe, and everything. So instead we're gonna cut right about here, and then simply get a new clamp, and the stock exhaust will still work, and we'll be able to get this thing installed in a few minutes. Oh, and also, I looked up these side skirts that we've destroyed. They're only like 700 bucks. So we gotta get them painted, 3 PPF, and we're good to go. All right, saw on the other side, and then exhaust comes out. Solid. Hialeah style.
Yes, it was. Headshot.
I got hit in the head by some this thing. At 3,000 miles an hour. No, no va.
Tilt down. Tilt downward.
Oh, this is no casualty as well. All right, so overall side skirts, and now this piece, another 600 bucks. Everything in Ferrari pricing is 600. Let's compare them. Holy shit. Double. That was double this. So in conclusion, we had to cut here, and this mount right here on this side. Check it out. Total damage. So the exhaust installation today cost $2,700. Good thing I got a big discount on the exhaust though, because I got it used. Even though it's used, it's pretty good condition. But instead, this is like MSRP 9 grand, and I only paid 4. Oh, and one more fun fact. This part that I cracked right here, they don't come in that color, so they both have to be painted. That'll look pretty sick. I'm gonna paint them black. But made our own bolts here, and this is gonna go back in a couple minutes. Status update.
It's now 6:30 p.m.
It's 6:30. We've been at it since 9. As you guys know, messed up the side skirts.
Mickey's hair.
My hair is a disaster. I've been on the floor with Sandy. Couldn't connect the valve controller because the hoses for the OEM exhaust don't reach the new valves, so we had to plug the valves, do zip ties with all the cables so it wouldn't touch the new exhaust, but valves are stuck open now. We literally have 2 screws, the diffuser, and then we're going to start it up. And a project that was supposed to have cost me a G for install, right? I've already spent $2,000 on the new side skirts, and I still need to buy these things. I'm thinking about going carbon on the back vents, but please God, hopefully the sound of this Capristo exhaust fixes everything. 9 hours later. Yeah, 9.5 hours later. Let's at least start up this thing and see what it sounds like. Ferrari key. Let's see what it sounds like. Yo, the pop. Wow. Car's much louder. Pop's way more. Let's put the diffuser back on so we can go for a drive. Install complete. Going for our maiden voyage. Hey, look, just as the skies clear up for us. Dude, this was the single hardest install I've ever done in my life. Tone of the car is completely different already. It's a lot higher pitched. Alright, so first impressions. The exhaust is definitely more pitchy. That it didn't used to do. That extra few decibels at higher RPMs that just scream, it didn't have before. But because I can't actually get on it, I can't see what the real difference is. Because this car always sounded good underneath 6,000 RPM. It was 6, 7, and 8 that sounded kind of flat. Okay, never mind. It just wants to go sideways. It sounds really good. Nope. Every time I get on power, the car just wants to go sideways, and I'm in wet mode. All right. Can't really do much more. The road is like completely soaked, and every time I get on power, the car wants to go sideways even in wet mode. So I can't really take it to 9. Yep. Just one more time, just for you. Yo, that sounded incredible. Big difference. Very satisfied, nonetheless. What a transformation for the 458. Bittersweet day with its ups and downs, but I think overall I'm very happy with this mod, and I can't wait to take this car to 9,000 on a dry day. I'm going to compare it against my 4RS Next in the tournament series, where I compare all my cars and my cars against others to kind of come up with lists of my favorite driving experiences. I can't wait to see where this goes. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed that video, go down below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that shit. Give me a comment, let me know what you think of the sound, and I look forward to seeing you next video. Take care. Peace.